I'm going to take this music box apart from the Herbert Hur clock that I recently made a video about. This is the music box from it. And I'm going to take it apart and clean it. This Governor fan, I just put it on. It's new. The old one was bad. Excuse me. The plastic gear was worn on the old one, so I tried to replace it, but it didn't help. So I just put a new governor in there. So let me show you that it works. See, the little man came out. The teeth on the comb, there's some missing, but I'm going to try to look for a new one or a used one, since this is an old music box. I'm going to take the comb off. Looks like it came off a razor. Electric razor. All right, the next one is I'm going to loosen this screw up. This comes right off. See the ratchet? This is for the chain. When you turn it this way, it turns the music box this way. When you turn it this way, you bring up the weight. Then when the music plays, it goes that way. This screw holds the shaft. For the music box. Guess I'll take this new governor off. It's kind of in my way. I was fortunate to have this one in stock. It was new. It was extra that I had left over from another clock. So it works out. These are just hard to find anymore. See, that's what the governor looks like. Just a bunch of gears. It regulates the music. There's a bushing in there that comes out. I'm going to remove the music box from the board that it sits on inside of the clock house. It's probably the first time it's ever been removed. Screws look original. Oh, see, there's a wire right there that holds the coil for the spring that returns the little guy. It's just a little nail. Guess I don't need it all the way up. I just want to figure out why this won't come out. I got everything off. Stand. Should just come right out. Nothing else is holding this thing in. Yeah. I think it's seized in there. Should be moving somewhat. Well, I'm going to have to fight with this a little bit longer. But once I get this out, I'm going to just clean everything. Clean all the parts. Get them shiny and put it back together. And I'll show you when I put it back together. I guess that's the best thing because I don't know how long this is going to take to figure out why this is not coming out. It should come loose. Well, until next time.